Okay, so I'm using this kind of tool, and you just heard a click. It's got some here and here, here and here. So in line with these lines, it does seem to have, that's where the connectors are. Okay, so that's the final one, I think. I think all of them are now released. Okay. Right, so then the back is away from the main section. Yeah, so it's got these clips all the way around. However, none are broken, so that seems quite good. So I just need to gently push these away without letting it drop, because I don't want to damage my circuit board. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to do as others have done, and I'm going to snip each of these pins in the middle and hope that afterwards I can resolder them back together. So I'll do it on screen so you can see it as well. So I just did the first one already. I'm just going to do the next one. So I'm just going to basically try and get it in as much in the center as I can to hopefully make it not too bad when I have to solder it back together again afterwards. I don't really know. Oh, that was tight. I don't know. Oh my god. Well, those ones weren't cutting.
Those ones, it doesn't make any sound. I don't know if it's cutting or not, it's hard to tell. Which, I know it must seem weird if you're watching it, but it's just strange. Maybe they're a bit thinner than the others. Could be that. Oh, just cut. And the final one. Okay. So something.
That one there. Okay, they're all cut. Right, I've done the job, so I've cut both sides. It's still not separating, and that's, I think, because I don't know. There's like another plastic sheet in between them, and there's a, if I can point here, it's like a connector. I think I'm going to have to squeeze those two sides together and push it through this board. And there's another one over here. Where's my? Yeah. So that's one prong released, and then there's one other one here. Because the plastic thing that's in the middle at the moment, it's keeping both halves joined. So there's one more there in front of that white relay. Okay, it's done. There's that separating board that has two plastic lugs. So the relay I'm interested in is this one here, which is the fuel pump relay. If I turn it over, it's this area of the board. It is actually discoloured. I'm not sure if you can see that on camera. It's just discoloured. It's kind of like you know, a slightly burnt colour, which compared with the rest of the board doesn't, nothing else has that. So it is at least showing signs of heat, if not damage. There's the sort of dark colour. Okay, so there's the relay. So I think it's these set of pins here. Blimey, there's loads of pins. How many are there? There's a kind of arc of them here, and then there's another arc there. It's a bit like an inverse S shape. So I think that must be this arc here into that arc there, and this area here is the area that is dark. Well, I'm going to try and replace it and go from there.